mga idol, mga solid na followers, pati mga solid subscribers sa YouTube. Thank you so much yung lahat. You are my destiny. You are what you are to me. You are my happiness. That's why